the time keep slipping, my mind keep tripping. Me and my revolver, we Siamese twinning on the river OT. You can find me fishing, popcorn something. You can find me sipping, moonshine mixing. On to the next batch. Better cop a vest, I ain't tryna get my chest cracked. Paranoid, I didn't know where I rest at. Better action, let's chat. Born and made a breast stack. Born for assist, touchdowns in the playoffs. They don't wanna grind, they interested in the payoff. Half a decade straight, I never took a day off. Calm in the chaos. Picture all the money that I made off my name. My blood, sweat, tears. Wish I could go back to the monstrous years. Now my guns catting in. Tryna flex, but that shit ain't a flex round here. Protect your neck round here. North-South rage, courtside paid. Where the week was, make 4 or 5 way. Nowadays, we get money like 4 or 5 ways. Real cameras cooked up for 45 days. I trust not a soul, not a word, not a promise. Got a lot of reps, lot of stars, lot of knowledge. Barely went to school, not a class, not a college. You ain't got a lane, not a way, not a pocket. I'm away from the future. What's the brains on the loop? 115 by the case, hallelujah. Gotta cross the water through the stage, I'm aloof. Fresh off the flight, eating grapes in the roof. I'm well traveled, son, shit, my soul travel world. Got back home, I bet my soul trapped in hell. I was cooking up everything inside a lava cell. Bubba stirring up, chef into some palabelle. This one for the grave, for the breath, for the coffin. I was on my shit, never wanna get above it. You was on your shit, couple years and you lost it. That was never me, son, that was never me. I'ma cry for my sins, die for my chips. Look alive, cause we all gon' survive through the shit. Ride for the rumble, fly till we rich. Run up the middle, cause your side is a shit. I'ma fry for my sins, die for my chips. Look alive, cause we all gon' survive through the shit. Ride for the rumble, fly till we rich. Run up the middle, cause your side is a shit. Not a dog.
Thank you.